to an instructional video of the Opinionated Alchemist, this time how to make black sugar ginger ale. I swear that this is the most delicious ginger ale you will ever have. I listed here the ingredients in the video, but you can also check the ingredients in the description below. First, clean the ginger thoroughly. It is not necessarily to peel it, but I did it here anyway, just try not to waste too much. Then cut the ginger in thin coins. Now we need a fine kitchen scale. Sorry, my American friends, but it is important to measure precisely, so get used to the metric system. Measure the sugar, the most important thing. Add some of the sugar and a bit of water and heat it up until a light golden caramel. Add the ginger coins and let it caramelize to a nice amber. Be sure not to let it burn. Caramel is one of the secrets to a complex tasting ginger ale, so don't skip it. Then add more water, so the syrup won't burn while cooking and infusing. At this stage you can also add the Asian black sugar, which then has enough time to dissolve in the hot liquid. Let the pot come up to pressure and cook the syrup for about 1 hour. In a traditional pot, I would steep it at least for 3 hours. After the hot infusion stage, you would need to chill it down to room temperature and take out the ginger. Add the rest of the sugar and the citric acid and stir to dissolve. We have to fine strain the liquid that there are no residues from the ginger or the black sugar in the syrup. We add the rest of the sugar after the cooking to avoid that we create too much inverted sugar, which would change the structure of the drink. After that, we just have to add the right amount of water so the ratios are consistent. That's why we measure everything to begin with. Then we carbonate it with our favorite device. For 1 liter of water, you would need about 120 grams of sugar and 2% citric acid based on the sugar content. I love the Soda Plus to carbonate because it will create strong carbonation and does not have any issues to carbonate sweet liquids. No explosions, no malfunctions. We are using ice to chill down the liquid, as colder temperatures mean better carbonation. Shaking is important to promote the carbon dioxide carbonic acid transformation, and a minute resting period is important to keep the carbonic acid stable in the liquid. And that's it. The ginger ale is amazing just on its own. In fact, we almost killed the whole batch just by trying it. But it's even better as mix with a good bourbon or rye. Cheers! This is the Opinionated Alchemist signing off. See you next time.